Hi friends, welcome to Suja's fitness recipe. Today's topic is sleep. Not only the body gets tired of working the whole day, but also the mind. Relaxing both body and the mind is the restful sleep of the day. As persistent insomnia leads to many diseases starting with depression, deep sleep can cure many diseases. So, what can be done? Finish your night dinner at least 2 hours prior to your sleep. Also, you can drink jeera water, cumin seed. Boil 1 glass of water with 1 spoon of cumin seeds and drink this warm. This cumin seed water, jeera water, not only helps in digestion, cure stomach disorders and also helpful in many ways. Now, we need to do 2 important things. Just recall today's events and think over how you reacted on those situations. This introspection done tonight surely helps you to set right your actions for tomorrow. The key point here is, please accept the things which cannot be changed and also without any regression. Also, avoid dragging out and thinking too much about which is unnecessary for us. Secondly, planning for the next day. It might be regarding meeting someone, wishing for the birthdays, anniversaries, making important phone calls and so on. In case of homemakers, planning for the next day cooking, children related work, elders related work and so on. When we plan like this, our mind will be clear without any confusion throughout the next day. When our mind is very much clear, we work with very much focus and dedication, and at the end of the day we feel very much satisfied with what we do. As we think and decide in advance many things, our mind, the flow of thoughts in the mind decreases significantly and mind is in the relaxed state. Next, let's do some simple exercise which can be done in the bed. Sit in the comfortable position, place your arms side. As you inhale, raise both your arms and join your hands. As you exhale, slowly bring back to the position. Inhale, exhale. Repeat this 5 times. The second exercise, lie down on the bed. Keep the feet together, hands on your side. As you inhale, raise your arms up towards back. As you exhale, bring back to the position. Inhale, exhale. Repeat this 5 times. The third exercise, lie down in the comfortable posture. Fold both your legs. Hands on your side, horizontal. Inhale deeply in this posture. As you exhale, bend your legs towards the left and turn your face towards right. As you inhale, come back straight. As you exhale, bend your legs towards right, turn your face towards left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and come back to position. Repeat this 5 times. The final exercise is Shavasana, deep relaxation technique. Spread your legs. Place your arms sideways, little away from the body, palms facing up. Breathe in deeply and breathe out for 5 times. Now, focus on all parts of your body and feel the complete relaxation of the whole body. Your body and mind is completely relaxed. Now, let's thank the nature for all the good things we experience in our life and enjoy your deep sleep. A brighter tomorrow is awaiting for you. Thank you.